Okay, welcome back to the course. So now in this lesson, I want to share you how you can edit some of the text in your web page and also replace the image if you want to. Okay, so let's go back to the dashboard and go to pages or pages, and you can see all the pages being listed here. So assuming that I want to change the home page, so I just click edit to edit the home page, and it will load up using the default Gutenberg editor. So what you can do over here is that you can just click on any area that you want, then you can also replace or delete the text. And over here, this is what you can do as well. So you can just delete anything or type in the additional keywords that you want. Okay. And so for example, let's say I want to type in, I will say welcome to our site, for example. And from here, I want to say something else. And I want to share with you, there's one powerful feature of this template is that there's a Ask AI feature. So what I do is that I can select the text over here. If let's say you do not like the text description at the moment, so you can just select the text and click Ask AI. And you can ask AI to write something longer or to make it shorter or to fix the grammar, or you can rephrase. So let us just click rephrase, and from this text it will change to this one. So after I read this one, let's say I quite like this description, I can just click use this and it will replace using the AI recommendation. So that's a powerful feature that you can use in case some of the description you need some ideas. So over here, one of the other thing is that you may want to change the image sometime. So you can just click here and you can just over the right panel, click on change image, and you can select or upload the file that you want. Or you can click free image and you can search and type in cleaning, for example, then it will search the image that you can use from free website. So it's quite a powerful feature. So for example, if let's say I want to use one of the picture, this one for example, I just click insert image and the image will be replaced. Okay, so that's how you replace image and change the text in the web page. If you need or you want to do other tasks that's not being mentioned in this course lesson, just feel free to post in the questions area and I will create more videos on the tasks that you want to do. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.